Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable Copilot on your Windows 11. So basically, Copilot AI feature is available for everyone with the update version 22H2 and version 23H2. However, you have to consider that initially, this feature will be available in North America and parts of Asia and South America, expanding to other regions over time. So you can check if it's available now on your region, and we can try to find that Copilot on your Windows computer. But if you can't find the Copilot after installing the update, you may still enable the feature in the settings app through your registry or by using your Microsoft Edge. So first off here, go to your settings and here click on Windows Update. Again, as I've said, just need to make sure that you're up to date. So if you click on the update history, right here, just need to update Windows 11 version 23H2. And once you've done updating your Windows, let's go turn on this Copilot from taskbar settings. So all you need to do here on settings, click on personalization. And here you just need to find the taskbar tab, scroll down, then click on taskbar. And here you can find the Copilot toggle switch. And basically, you just need to enable that one. Once you complete these steps, the Copilot button should appear in the taskbar of Windows 11 version 22H2 or version 23H2. Now, if you don't have that feature, the Copilot on your taskbar settings, you can just turn on your Copilot from Registry Editor. So you just need to go on the search box right here at the bottom left, and then we can type right here registry editor and then click on this application. So just need to open up this one, and here basically you just need to navigate the following path. First of all, go to H key, current user, so at the top right there. So just click on that folder and then go to software. Basically right here, open up this one and then find the Microsoft. So scroll down and find the Microsoft and click on this folder, then go to Windows, find the Windows here and open up this folder, and then go to current version, and then go to Explorer. So right here, go to Explorer folder, and what you can do here is go to Advanced, and here you will find the Show Copilot button. So all you need to do is double click on the Show Copilot button, the word, and set its value to 1 to enable the feature. And then just click the OK button, then restart your computer. After you complete the steps, the Copilot button should appear in the Windows 11 23H2 taskbar. But if still you don't have an access to open your Copilot on Windows 11, I recommend you to open up your Microsoft Edge right here. So click on this one and it will open up your homepage. So basically, you will find the Copilot right here at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And here you can use the Copilot whenever you want and anytime and anywhere. So yeah, that's how you basically enable your Copilot in Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.